Majestic Conkle's Hollow. Paved trail, flat, pretty easy for anybody that adaptive needs. Wheelchair accessible. Come up here, you'll come up here to the grotto. And it has steps that are built in, pretty sturdy. Oh, look at this view right here. This, wow. And you're gonna go up like this. Wow! The awe! Even got ice. You can go down here. Little guy like me. So cool. Hey. There it is. Check out these stairs. The power of water and wet trail. Woo! A little bit. Yeah. Very scary.